I'm back. We back. We here. I got the ASL sign part 3. Part 3. Let's get right into it. And also, do not forget to like and subscribe. Also, and share. All right. So let's get started. The first time we're going to be doing is M. And what you want to do is you want to throw your 3 fingers up. And what you want to do is you want to take your thumb, put it right in between your ring finger and your pinky. And what you want to do is your 3 fingers is throw them right down, right over them. M. As you can see, my thumb is tucked right under all 3 fingers. M. So the next time what we're going to do is N. And as you can see is my thumb is actually tucked right in between my middle finger and my ring finger. And my 2 fingers are actually over my thumb. N. N. Real simple, real easy. The next time what we're going to be doing is O. 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 Real simple, real easy. O. So the next time we're going to be doing and moving on to is P. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the letter K. And as you remember in part 2 of my video, this is K. And what you want to do is you want to take K and put it downwards. So what you do is you bring the K, flip it down. Now you have P. P. So the next time we're going to be doing is Q. Q is real simple, real easy. What you want to do is you want to take your 2 fingers, your index and your thumb. What you want to do is you want to have it facing downward. You want to make sure that your knuckles is actually facing whoever you're speaking to. Q. Q. And now I'll turn it to the side as you guys can get a better view. Q. So from Q, we have R. 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 R, real simple. What you want to do is cross and you want to have your index right under your middle finger. R. 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 Real simple, real easy. Let's do it. S. Told ya. Real simple, real easy. S. As you can see, I ball my fist up. Put the thumb right over everything. S. S. All right. So the last and final sign for today will be T. T. And what you want to do is you want to have your thumb right in between your index and your middle finger. And what you want to do is have all your fingers facing downward except for your thumb. And T. I'll turn my hand around. In this video, I want to go ahead and go over the signs that we went over for part 3. And let's get started. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. And T. All right. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Go ahead and like and subscribe, that button down below. I hope you guys are all following along. I have part 1, part 2. Now you have part 3 out.